Dr. Tara, I want to congratulate you and give you all the best wishes and greetings to you for scoring a very good rank in NEET SS 2020 in MCH Plastic Surgery, rank number 24. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And we want to know from you, we want to know about little about Tara, I mean, where she did her medicine and where did she do her MS and why she wanted to become a plastic surgeon.
Okay, I am actually from Kerala. I did my MBBS from Government Medical College in Kottayam. Then I went to do my MS from Government Medical College, Calicut, Kerala itself. So I was exposed to the plastic surgery department from at my college, Calicut, and I got very interested in it. And I thought it would be nice to pursue that career. So I had always wanted to be a plastic surgeon after my postings in plastic surgery. And then I actually married after my MBBS. Then I had my first child during my MS course. And after I finished my MS, I had my second child. Okay, so with my two children, one 2.5-year-old and one 6-month-old, I never thought I would be able to appear for this exam. But I don't know, by God's grace, I came to know about this Speed app, and I was not very sure about installing it because I didn't know whether I would be able to hear the classes and all. But my husband was very adamant that I install it and try to hear the classes. So finally, by May, I installed it, and for 3 months, I was able to. I tried, with my child was then only 4 months. Then it was difficult. So with the time I had, I used to hear all the recorded videos of plastic surgery. That was all the time I could get. I was not able to hear the general surgery part, and I used to write down notes. And then you started the online classes, which was like some blessing to me. And by then I moved to my how my parents would take care of my children. And that 2 hours I could listen to your classes, sir. That was so helpful. I won't be able to write down notes because I won't be able to do that. But I tried my best to attend all your online classes. And after also at night, when my children are asleep, I would actually hear the plastic surgery classes again. So I have to say, for general surgery parts, I did not go through any of the textbooks. I passed my MS final year in 2018 November. And after that, it is a long gap. I did not go through any of my textbook. Only thing I did was listen to you, sir. I couldn't even write down my notes. I listened to you. And plastic surgery also, sir, the classes were so good in the app. I cannot tell you that how much it has helped me. That is the only input I got for the plastic. I did not go through any MCQ textbook or any other textbook. That classes was all I had. Those teachers, though they don't know me, I have great regard for them. I got through actually.
I will definitely pass on this feedback and video to all the faculties of plastic surgery and the entire team. They will feel really happy to hear from you, and it's a great honor for their dedicated work. And
yes, also, sir, the daily based classes, the classes were good, and more than that, the inspiring environment that you created for us, and also my co-aspirants, how they were responding. It was kind of inspiring for me and helped me to work hard for this.
Yes, it was. The forum was very great and everybody was enthusiastic.
Yes,
Each and every surgeon was enthusiastic in that forum.
Yes, everybody was interested, and how much effort you were putting, it was so evident from your questions, and that was so inspiring, sir. That was what mattered the most.
It has to be. Teacher has to work more than the students. Only then students can perform. It is like that for any kind of a class. It has to be a prepared class. Yes, that's how it works. Sure. And I'm really happy, and I wish you a great career in plastic surgery. I wish you all the best and all the success on behalf of all the faculties in Speed, and also to tell you with two small children in home, and you are able to make it. And God was so kind enough, and I really appreciate your husband for supporting you and your family for supporting all this. And convey our regards to all the two small kids and your husband and the entire family. Best wishes to you and all the success years to follow.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Thank you very much.
thank you, sir.